Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's a beautiful day here in Central Florida. A little bit noisy at times. Today is Friday, the, what is it, the 7th, 8th, 7th I think. And it's the beginning of the weekend, the last weekend of Bike Week. So you may be hearing some rumbling from time to time. And I can't help that, but there's something I need to take care of out here. I've been cleaning things up a little bit. Took another tower apart this week. Got parts of it spread all over the place in here. As you can see, the radishes are bolting, but that's okay. If you don't know, radish seed pods are just as good as the bulbs themselves. But we got a lot of nice green out here today. Fairly warm temperatures and a little bit of a hint that the sweet potato from seed experiment is going to continue. But there's something else I need to take care of today. So this isn't really a garden tour. Feel free to look around as much as you want. Things are coming along nicely out here. You may recall back in early November, I had a few potatoes that started sprouting in the kitchen. So of course, I brought them out here and stuck them in the dirt. And they grew all winter. And now they're pretty much died back. This is the last of the greens that I can see in here. I forget how many potatoes I planted in here. 4 or 5 I think. And I know some of them have produced some little potatoes. There's a couple of them have actually come up to the surface. But I need to get in here and dig through this now and see just what I can find under there. And be warned, I really don't expect to find a whole lot. But there should be something. I'll keep this as short as possible, so let's put the digging on a fast track and let me see what kind of treasure hunt I can carry out here. Well, that didn't take long, and I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. That's quite a yield considering these were winter potatoes. A couple of them came to the surface, got a little bit of green on them. That's okay, I can cut that off. But that's a lot more than I expected. And incidentally, while I was over here, I noticed something else that kind of interested me. I have to be careful walking through these weeds. I left them here on purpose because every day they are just covered by bees. There's at least a dozen of them flying around my feet right now, and I don't really want to get stung. But anyway, I haven't started thinning these carrots yet. And while I was over here, I happened to notice, and we'll both see this together, that is not a bad carrot. I think this bed is going to do me pretty well. That'll give me enough to do some canning in a bit. But the main topic today was treasure hunt for potatoes. I found more treasure than I was expecting to find, and hope the noise wasn't too bad. I'm getting to where I don't even hear it actually. But that's it for today. Try to make this short and sweet. That's going to be sweet. And I'll see y'all next time.